my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Racecar 254, man. Tune in for another one out here with the Cutlass. Is that what do we got going on here? Well, race car talks have been going on, and you can't have a race car without a Tach. So let's see what we can get cracking. So as y'all know, 86 Cutlass 6.0 350 trans cam, you know, nice little project that we put together as we bring it closer to trying to be a race car. Of course, you know, you got important gauges, temp gauge, oil pressure, and voltage. Also got the wide band right there. But another gauge that would definitely come in handy would be our Tach, so we can know where our RPMs is at. Now you can run it through an app like HP Tuner, Scanner, and all of that stuff. But say that you just riding and just want to know what your RPMs is at. So here I have this gauge made from Equus. I believe it's the same company that makes these gauges, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Equus. Different style, but still the same. So what I'm gonna do is we are going to hook up and see if we have a Tach signal or if we're going to require a resistor. Now what I did do, y'all saw in the other video, I got a labeler. So I've already put said labeler to use and made labels for my wires, so I know exactly what it goes with. This is the Tach wire, and it goes to the white wire. It comes off number 10 on the red side. As you can see, that's the blue side. That's gonna be the red side. Number 10 is kind of the only white wire that I had separated out to the side for those special wires. So we have a splice put on there, and like I said, we're gonna test it and make sure that it works outside of the car before we put it onto the actual. So it's a 4-wire setup. One goes to the Tach signal, one is a ground, and then it's 12 volt switched, and then a panel. So when I hook up, where's my damn tripod when I need it? So I can show you here. So when I hook the negative, well, when I hook the switch power and the panel to the positive and the negative to the negative, then you do see that it lights up. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna crank the car and see if we get an actual signal with the car cranked. So y'all stand by. so from what you can see, we do have a signal, so that is going to work for us. My next question, feet, etc., is going to be, where exactly are we going to mount this? So let me take this inside the car and I guess look at some potential places to where it can be mounted. And then from there, pretty much everything else will be ran inside the car, ground, and the wires for the light and the power. So alright, so we just got it set up on the dash. Now it is kind of roughly wired in here. I don't know where I'm gonna set it at. But we got the res lit up when the lights come on, everything else. So I guess that just leaves the question, where will its final resting place be? But let's go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so what happened is these are shit. And after it crimps, it makes one good connection. After that, it's like up in the wind. So I'm gonna come back with this T-type wire connector. Same ones I use on the inside. Like it just makes for a better connection. And then if you ever need to disconnect it, you're able to as well. That's why I like these better. So let me get a new one crimped on for the Tach wire and we should have signal. Alright, so with our connection with the teeth clip, like I said, I love these so much better. You can get these joints on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below so you can get them. Yeah, definitely a better way if you're splicing in the wires. Some people don't like splicing, and that's fine too, so. Alright, so there you go again. Got lights. So Tach is hooked up, wired up to the lights, got a signal. The Racecar is one step closer. Yeah. Next, we need like a flow shifter. We do like a flow shifter setup, man. We'll be in the dough. You know what I'm saying? Flow shifter. I don't know why it don't pick up. When it's on the wide cam, it don't pick up that much light. On that camera, it pick up more light. So yeah, we do like a flow shifter. And we race car for real, my boy. Race car for real. But yeah, man, that's all I got for this one. Gonna go on and wrap it up. Take all our tools back in the crib. Like I said, the final mounting is still kind of, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Or who knows, down the line, shit, we might do some rim Busan gauges, so we got it in the dash. Like the box Chevy do. The box Chevy got them rim Busans in the dash to know the RPM, so might go that route, or might go a different route. Who knows? Who knows? Right now, that external Tach gonna get the job done, so appreciate y'all tuning in for another one from LS Chevrolet Productions. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.